Hello everybody, this is Eric from ChastityShop.com and we are going to do something funny. I'm going to make a little bowl, a silver bowl, for on top of the new designed key. And I'm going to melt silver and put it inside this hole to create a ball. So this is a piece of silver and then it's going to melt. This is a flame of 3200 degrees Celsius. This is some boraxin powder to avoid oxygen at the silver. Now I'm melting the silver dot. Here we go. That's it. I have to cool it down. Now I've got a little silver ball. And this little ball is going on top of this new design key. Like that. It's a part of, it's not the actual top of the key. The silver ball in 2 minutes.